Symmetry can instantly make a design feel satisfying and visually complete. Today, how to explore shape symmetry techniques. Launch Adobe Photoshop and create a 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas with a clean white background. Select the rectangle tool and draw a vertical shape exactly in the center. Now, duplicate it and move the copy to the opposite side, ensuring both are evenly spaced using alignment tools. Switch to the ellipse tool and place matching circles on both sides, maintaining equal distance from the center. Choose the polygon tool and add identical shapes at the top and bottom to reinforce symmetry. Activate the Move tool and fine-tune alignment using